we're going to look at something to do with displaying. We're going to see how we can displaying a worksheet formulas. So what you need to know first and foremost, by default Excel displays in any cell the result of the cell formula instead of the formula itself. But if you need to see a formula, you can simply select the appropriate cell and look at the formula bar. And then when you check in the formula bar, like for example what I'm trying to see, if you have the numbers, say this and then this, and then you add them, say equal sign this plus this number here, then you get the answer. So you, by default, Excel will display the cell, the result of the cell. That's what this is what we call the result. The result of the cell. Now, this results automatically when you open any worksheet, and maybe you have a certain column which contains the calculation, the output or the result is what will be displayed. But if you want to see the formula that resulted into this output, what you do, you have to select. You need to select the appropriate cell. You need to select that cell and look at the formula bar. So you select that, then you go to the formula bar on top. Of course, that's the formula bar. You move up and see the formula bar is up there. After looking at the formula bar, now you'll be able to see the formula which was used to come up with this result that you are looking at now. However, sometimes you will need to see all the formulas in the worksheet, such as when you are trying to troubleshoot your work. You get? Sometimes you don't have to go to the formula bar, and you don't have to, you need to see the formula or to display all the worksheet formulas. So displaying the worksheet formula, it is something very, very important, and that's what we're going to be doing. But to start to do that, I will first put some data values. I will start with these ones, then I can add more values. I have that, then I have this one, I have this, and I have that one, I have that, I have this, I have this. So I have these data values. So I'm going to enter here, I'm going to create the average of these values. So I'll go ahead and say average of this. Then I'm going to use the range. The first value is that 2. I go to the last value, then I close the bracket. So now after that, when I press enter, I will get the answer. So by default, now what comes into this cell is what we call the result. The result is what is displayed here. The result is what is displayed. If I want to see the formula, I have to come and select this, then I go to the formula. Otherwise, if I don't select, I cannot see the formula. I have to select that cell, then I go into the formula bar. But if I don't want to use the formula bar, the other way I can use a function which is called the formula text function. It is called what? The formula text function. So the formula text function displays the formula of a certain result. Like here, I'm going to say equal sign, then I put the function name, which is formula text. This one will return a formula as a string. So I'll go ahead and I put that. Then I select the cell which of your target. The cell is this one. Then I close the bracket. After that, I press enter. Now from there, automatically you can see the formula will appear automatic. We can use another method, like maybe to add these numbers using cell reference. I can say cosine, then I say sum, then I say first value, I say comma, 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 so now I'm done with all this. As you can see, I have all the values separated with a comma. Remember we said a comma is the same as the union. It helps to bring all the numbers together and then aid the function to perform its task. So after doing this, the moment I press enter on my keyboard, or I press enter on my worksheet tool, then I will get the answer. So when I press enter, I get the value as 755. So this value, as the one above, is what you call the result of the calculation. If I want to get the formula, I have to select this, then I go to the formula bar. But otherwise, if I don't select this cell, I cannot see the formula. I have to first select the cell, then I look into the formula bar. I will be able to get the formula. But the good news is that I can use the formula text function to fetch the formula that was used to bring this. So I go ahead and say equal sign, then I say formula text, then from there I go and put the cell of my target cell. What do I want to target? That one. Then close the bracket, press enter. Wow, everything gonna come. You see, now you have the OR function, formula that you used, and this one will come as a string of characters. It comes as a string of characters, trying to show you all the formula that was used. So if you example you have maybe I can also check some values here, like let me see no, like the budget, like this. I can bring some data here. Yeah, so like if I want to get the ending balance, I have this table data here with different numbers, but generated from a certain loan payment schedule. So if I want to get, for example, the formula which was used here, I can select the cell, one of the cell, then I put equal sign, then I say formula text, then I come and say I want this. Then after I close the bracket and then press enter, and then you'll be able to see all the formula that was used to come up with this result. Otherwise, guys, thank you very much for following. I know Excel is becoming sweet, everything is becoming nice, you're getting skilled. Very soon you're gonna be expert and you're gonna start real data analysis. You're gonna make a lot of wonders in the field of technology. So guys, catch up. We have many videos in all the field, basic computing, website design, graphics, multimedia like video editing, programming, Python, HTML, PHP, many languages, Java, and so just have to come and join Tabby Talks. Go to our website, register, so that you become a team member. Then you'll be connected to all our guys, and then they will help you. For now, let's stop here. Let's catch up in the next video. Thank you.